You ready to go on your adventure? Which Monster Jams are you bringing?
It's dark in here.
It's dark in here? It's time for naps, can you tell? Ow! Oh my god, you got me right in the eye. It's okay, lovey. I think I'm gonna have a black eye though. You ready?
Yeah.
We're headed that way, towards the creek, okay?
Can you move this?
We're gonna go this way, past this stuff.
Oh, right here.
It's okay if he comes with us. Alright, we gotta go this way. Down this very steep hill. Okay. I suggest we go a little bit backwards. Okay, now I'll try to get over there. Whoa, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You're okay.
Ow.
Now we go this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go. I'm seeing this. Yeah. It's really steep down here. You'll never fall down here.
Okay.
And I could drop into the lake.
Okay, let's go this way, alright?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. You want to stick your camera in the water so we can see the fish again.
It's true. That's what I'm gonna do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stay up here.
Stipply. Stipply.
You're doing good. Okay, go.
I'm fast going up. There's the lake down there. Yes.
Oh, I see it.
Oh. Very hard though. It's hard down there. They're very hard. It's just hard, baby. Not really bad, but
Woo! You alright? Do you want me to carry one of your trucks?
yeah.
Alright, I will carry. I got Hot Wheels, alright?
I told you for him. There he is.
Good boy, Cash. Stick with us, bud.
Can you catch? Can you
Cashy!
catch?
Cashers!
Come to the catchers. Where is he? There was he. There he is. Catch him.
Got him.
I did it.
No, he'll come to us. It's okay. See? He's coming right to us. Little hiker. Hi, Casher.
Hi, catchers. Can you get Cartubes down?
Sure.
Down in. This is this best. Let's go check over here.
Be careful. Hi, Squashy.
We drop into the water. Come, Cash. Come. Can you stop that?
Cashers. Come.
Come.
Are you having fun?
Rabbit.
Cash went that way. Alright, should I stick the camera in the water and look at these fish? Hey, bud. Cashers. Oh, now you're stuck in the mud.
Look at this little one, man. Look at this little one. Look at this little one. Look at this little one.
Did you hear that owl? There's a fish right there. Look at it.
Can I see him?
Come on. See him? It's right there. You want to grab him? Grab him. Oh, he's gone. Is that a fish or is that a lizard?
A fish.
Let's play the tape back and see.
He was gone to the river. Oh, there he is!
There he is?
Yeah.
Catch.
Go, Clap. Clap. Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Come in here.
Alright, make sure both your Monster Jams come back with us, okay?
Can I come back with the...
Sure. Uh-huh. He's this way. There he is.
You come up. There he is.
You see the fish?
Yeah. I can see him.
Did we lose a monster truck? There he is. He's lonely over there off in the distance. What should we do? Should we go play with him? Try to get your Superman. Good boy.
You see something? If he has something, it's going for help. These guys are going for help.
Is Superman gonna help Hot Wheels?
No. I stuck Autumn into Autumn.
Oh, Superman's losing a wheel, isn't he?
No.
I think so.
He was underwater. He started to drift into water.
Look at all these cute little fish coming over for you. See them?
Yeah.
They're cute, right?
Yeah. Where are them? Where are them?
Look at them. This way. Cash is flushing them all that way. You see them? Ah, we forgot the net, didn't we? Oh no, we're gonna have to do a whole nother epic adventure all over again with the net this time. Right? Right?
Hey fish! You wanna play with us?
Yeah. They said, yeah, we do. We want to play with you.
Where are them?
They went that way.
Yeah. Come. Can you play with me? I covered up the fish. Where was he?
Who? I mean, feed the ducks? Whoa! Whoa! How fun! How super cool!
Stop, Cash! Stop! Stop! Stop, Cash! Wait!
I think you chased him away, baby. He's gone. Sweetie, you gotta come back. That's somebody else's yard. Baby, come here. Carson. He'll come if you come back in here. You see any big fish?
No.
Is it raining, or is that just the water coming down from the trees?
Coming down from the tree.
You think so?
There was it. There was it.
Cash is up here. Trying to get away from you.
I want to see him. I want to see me nothing.
Wait, Carson, that's somebody else's yard. You can't do it. Whoa!
Where's Cash?
He's coming back.
Where was he?
All right. Let's go get that net and let's go feed the ducks. Let's continue on our journey, okay? You ready? You ready to continue on our journey?
Get in the water. Fast. Faster. He wants to keep under. Faster the most. I'm winning. What is this? Kyle.
Looks like some clay, right?
I can't lift it. Maybe he could step on it. He grumbles it. He gambles it. He's scraping it. Be in the water. Be in the water. Danny, that's what's coming to us.
Staring Danny at.
Yeah.
Should we call? Let's call Cash. There he is. Right there. Good boy. Good boy, Cashers. All right.
Sit, come. Sit, come. Come back. Come. Come back. We're waiting for the duck. Picking up the hail. Fast as our can.
Very good, son. Fast as we can. He's coming.
Can I get thumbs up?
Can I get thumbs up?
You like this channel? Please subscribe to more channels. When you click this red